In some video which I found in YouTube, how to connect car player at home, you must have a battery from car or similar. Hello everyone, привет всем, and welcome back to very excited video blog. Today I will show you how to connect a car player without a battery. Almost every car player has such a schematic at the back of the car player. What do we see? We see in the schematic really need to connect car player to the battery. So we will try to do that without battery. I need a 12 volts power supply for 1 amp or more, 3 crocodiles and this kind of connector. Of course, this is all optional and you can combine or use something similar. We need to connect 2 positive pins to plus and 1 pin to ground or minus. So you can ask, why the 2 positive pins need to be connected? The fact is that when the car player is installed in the car, it is always connected to the power supply of the car, to the battery. Choose it is always on, or your car player always on.
Wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through colored glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
Try to connect. And voila! That's all for today. The best way to say thank you to the author is share this video with your friends. I will hope to see you next time.